hear myself think.
Yeah, man, my car's pretty loud. Yeah, is it though? Let me hear it. Nah. Nah. I can't look at you. Nah. What's wrong, man? You see this one over here? Yeah, that's what's up. Hey. I'll show him. I'll show him who's loud. What's good, everybody? Welcome back. Feels good to finally pick up a camera again. Today we're installing the INVIDIA J-Pipe onto the WRX to make it louder, because this piece of shit is too loud, and that piece of shit is too loud, and this piece of shit is even quieter than these two. Money shot. Ooh. Oh shit. As you guys can see, I got the INVIDIA catted J-Pipe. Catted because we live in California and things suck around here. But still, got the catted J-Pipe. Hopefully makes the car louder. It's not it's about the same level as a uncatted J-Pipe. Uncatted J-Pipe is just a little bit more clearer, and this is not really as clear, but they're still pretty loud. We're gonna follow this bad boy.
But look at this one right here. This one's pretty clean.
Those welds are clean. These two? You're telling me they put clean ass welding, but they can't pack a fucking bond? Alright guys, you know how we roll. We don't need no tutorial for this. We do it all by brain, all common sense, baby. What the fuck do I do? When in doubt, y'all know what it is. Kick it out. Ow! What if I fucking hold you?
Dude, go. What? No. Nope. Go. I'll push your foot too. Oh.
We got Hulk and fucking the Flash. Alright guys, little update. We have stuff everywhere on the floor. Jams under the car. Draco's standing on the two ramps. We're trying to get off the bracket that we have to take off. I mean, I think we have to take it off. It makes sense. Right, but other than that, we took the mid pipe. We took the mid pipe out of the car already. Here it is. We have the stock mid pipe, the big things, and then we got the, I think this is the resonator as well. But opposed to the new pipe, which is over here, it is just straight. Straight, completely straight. Should release a lot of sound and make the car sound way nicer. And if you want, you know, what Jan recommended, you know, I bought a catted exhaust. But if I want, I could just remove that inside part, you feel me? And it'll be cat-less, but it'll look like it's catted, but California, whatever. Anyways, the guys up here are struggling right now, trying to get the one bolt out to take off the top bracket above the J-pipe there. But once we get that off, we should be able to reinstall it very easily, because it'll be way cleaner and way nicer. But yeah.
1/4 to 3/4. No, 1/2 to 3/4, and then an extended extension and another extension and the socket.
Okay, and then that's the bolt that you have to get. So
no, you're lying. Oh, we just need one more.
Alright guys, we just came back from O'Reilly's because we needed a 7/8 wrench to remove the O2 sensor right here. The boys are working on the other O2 sensor right now, but we need to get the 7/8. So we went to O'Reilly's, got that. Now we're gonna reinstall the O2 sensors once we get the other one out, and then take out the downpipe actually. And then, you know, this is a pain in the ass, but it's okay. We're having fun. And,
no, we're not.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck? Alright, we got it off finally. It's a pain in the ass, like everyone says.
What the fuck puts this here?
I think we need that.
Yeah, I know.
How loud do you think it's gonna be?
20% louder.
Like a little bit louder, or no, not a little bit louder, man. Like a little bit quieter than that, just a tiny bit.
My cold start.
I can't hear myself think.
I can't hear myself. Yo! I didn't expect it that loud.
I'm dead.
You hear that? You hear the whistle?
Yeah, I hear the whistle.
Yo!
That's really loud. That's loud.
That is so loud. Yo! That is so fucking loud.
Dude, that's crazy.
That is way too
Oh my.
loud.
I didn't expect it to be that loud. That's freaking loud, dude.
Fuck.
What?
Alright guys, it's the next day and I got the tune from Edge Autosport. Shout out my boy Cameron Alford for the suggestion on the tuner. So we're gonna go tune the WRX with the J-Pipe right now and see how she runs. Alright, but first let's check out this cold start. Oh my god, that's loud. I can't get over how loud it is. Just a single J-Pipe catted or even catless makes the car way louder, and I know that's what a lot of you want. And I know the FA engines are kind of quiet, even with an exhaust. They all really sound the same, but the J-Pipe makes the difference, everyone. So if you want one, get one. I highly suggest it. Really fun, and it's so loud. That's what I love about it. So the tune is loading up right now. All I need to do after it's done is just set up the parameters of what I need to log, and then once that's done, we'll go do some logging. Nice. Startup is way nicer than it was before. Maybe probably because it's not like the super cold start, but it's still, I can tell it's way better. The car is functioning just a little bit more better with the tune on. Now I'm gonna go set the parameters for what we need, and then we're gonna do some beta logging, baby. All right, y'all, we're gonna be doing some third gear wide open throttle pulls here for the data logs. We're gonna hop on the freeway, third gear. Cruise at about 25.
Fuck, man. I wanna know what it sounds like without the windows up.
Oh, you guys ain't made it for this. Y'all ain't made it for this. You just want to hear this?
Yeah, that car's not loud enough.
Bro, that shit is whack. That is whack.
It's still too quiet. He needs to fix
Way
it.
too quiet. That shit's
Dang.
quiet.
Yo, who's louder now?
Ticket for the exhaust.